Hi guys, do you know that you can make money in your photography wherever you live, irrespective of your country or your state or anywhere you are staying? Photography is something that can fetch you money like on a daily basis. So in this video, I'm gonna be telling you things that will give you that money in your photography wherever you go. Even you are traveling out of your state to anywhere, you will still be having money in your pocket so far you are still with your camera. All right, so stay tuned and I'm going to be back in seconds. And please, if this is your first time to my channel, please, on this channel I talk about photography tips and tricks on how you can build your photography business career, on how you can improve on your photography business. So subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification bell because I drop video weekly so that you will be part of this success. Now one thing is that I always advise people that you should try to have an idea of how each niches work before you niche down to one particular niches of photography. Now, versatility in photography is very, very important. That is, you having a knowledge of how each niches work before you niche down is very important. Because in the situation whereby you are traveling to any state or any country, if you have an idea or have a knowledge of how each niche work, you'll be able to still make money with your photography. The first one is your interior or real estate photography. In every city, in any country, in every country and in every state, okay, we have real estate agents. So you as a photographer, you can make money when you partners with these guys. You just have to to introduce yourself to them, make them know the type of works that you do, make them have an idea of what you can do, let them know what you can do for them in that their business, in that their real estate business. It is very important before you even work with them. You have you should have a picture of the or you should have a portfolio of the real estate or interior photograph that you have been taking for some time, so that when you walk to this real estate, anywhere you are staying or anywhere you travel to, sorry, they will know that this is what you've been doing. Okay, they will like to work with you because they have seen the type of pictures that you have been doing. So it is very important for you to work with this real estate agent anywhere you. And the second one is product photography. Now, photography is something that anywhere you travel to, product photography like furnitures, like kitchen utensils, like clothing, like makeups, like fashions, all those things are into product photography. And trust me, anywhere you travel to, there are people that are doing all this stuff that I just mentioned. People are doing business in all these things. So you as a product photographer, or you that have a background knowledge of how product photography work, it is like you put it upon yourself that you can work to this type of brand, work to this type of business person, that this is what you do. Introduce yourself to them, show them your portfolio that this is what you are capable of doing, that will move their businesses. So in that case, they will definitely like you because you are a professional, which I believe. So when you show them your portfolio, okay, most of them will, okay, most of them will definitely work with you, and most of them will say no. But in that case, that will not stop you to also move to other people that are doing product photography. You should also try to move to other places that can also give you that money so far you are into product photography. And the next one is professional or corporate headshots. Professional or corporate headshot is something that, like, if you travel to any state, any country, or anywhere, there are organizations, okay, there are corporate organizations and brands that their staffs need corporate head shoot. So you will put like in a situation whereby you travel to any of those places, okay, you position yourself, your portfolio need to speak well of you. That is why you need to work on your portfolio very well. So you traveling to any of those places outside of your state, you have to move to any of those corporate organizations. You have to market yourself to the marketing agents. You have to talk to them concerning what you do, because I believe every organization or corporate businesses need a professional head shoot for their businesses of their staff. So this is what you have to do: work to those places, work with the marketing agencies that this is what you can do for their brand, for their businesses, for their organization. And before you know, they will definitely become their photographer. They will definitely give you that gigs that you are looking for. So guys, if you are finding this video interesting at this point, please subscribe to this channel because I drop weekly videos on this channel. Just as you can see, I'm just building this channel, so I need you to encourage me. The only way you can encourage me, guys, is for you to subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification so that I will feel motivated to drop video for you guys. Also, and the next one I'm going to talk about is fashion photography. Fashion photography is something that will give you money wherever you go and wherever you live. Everyone, there are fashion stores everywhere, both online and offline. In a situation whereby you also have an idea on how fashion photography works, you will be able to make money with your camera anywhere you go. So it is your own job for you to move out to those fashion stores that are close to you where you are staying, or you can also like search online. Okay, it is your own duty to do that, because the truth is that if you do not move out to those stores, if you do not like take your business out to those stores wherever you are still, wherever you are living, they will not know that this is what you do. So it is very important to move out to them that this is what you can do. This is what you can do to improve their businesses. And the next one is online sales, just like your stock photographies, your online tutorial courses, your bloggings, and your courses online. You can be making money in your photography wherever you go, so far you have the knowledge of how each of these things works. That is why I say that versatility in photography is very, very important. You having a knowledge of how each of these things works is very important, because wherever you are without your camera, you will not be stuck, you will not feel stuck, you will not be frustrated, because the online tutorial courses, you can be organizing online tutorial courses and people will be paying. Okay, you can even sell your courses online. You can be selling your presets online. You can be doing your blogging online. You can even sell your photos on stock sites. Okay, and you will still be getting money out of all these things, even when you are not shooting, even when you are not photographing your clients. That is why I said that you can make money in your photography wherever you go. So I think if you can, put all these things into practice, have a knowledge of how all these things work, trust me, you'll be making money without your camera wherever you go. At this point, think this video has been so helpful to you. Please subscribe to this channel. Also click on the notification bell. So whenever I drop a content like this, you will get notice of it. All right, thank you so much and see you in my next video.